Four teens burst into their 90-year-old neighbor's home, and the reason behind it moved people to tears. Dylan, Seth, Nick, and Wyatt are teenage boys from Oklahoma. One evening they decided to hang out together. Little did they know their night would end in a way they could have never imagined. It all started when one of the teens first noticed the smell of burning rubber. Then, they saw flames coming from the neighbor's home. Wyatt, whose home they were all in, knew his elderly neighbor, Catherine Ritchie, lived there. Without hesitation, all four boys jumped up and ran outside towards the home. Two of the boys broke into the house, while the other two called 911 and alerted the other neighbors. Inside the home, they found a frightened 90-year-old woman trapped in her hallway. The two teens quickly picked her up off the floor and together got her outside to safety. Thankfully, all involved were unharmed, except for a shaken Catherine, who was utterly grateful for the teens' bravery and their life-saving actions.